कोई बोलेगा सीमा आंटी ऑर्थोडॉक्स है तो है ऑर्थोडॉक्स, बट जो इंडियन वैल्यूज इतने साल से चली आ रही है, दैट हैव टोल्ड द शो टू द यंगस्टर. आई लव द वर्ल्ड एंड आई टेल दिस ओनली वन थिंग, दैट थोड़ा सा सीमा आंटी के थोड़े से गुरु मंत्र पे चलो तो लाइफ विल बी स्मूथ. दैट्स यू आर नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग इन योर ऑफिस. एग्जांपल, you're adjusting कर रहे हो ना, कहीं कुछ काम नहीं हो, कुछ अगर adjusting ना, then why don't you do in your personal life?
Hi Seema aunty, welcome to Pink Villa.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your Emmy nomination. मुझे actually पूछना था, what was your first reaction, you know, when you found out कि आपको Emmy nomination मिला है?
Karishma, it was a double celebration, I'll tell you. Because the show is nominated in Emmys, और कल 1 year is completed for Indian matchmaking, 16 July. So it was a double celebration for me. And the Indian matchmaking has been popular and talk of all the towns actually. So since it's released, I've got, immense love and respect from the whole world.
You know, what is your opinion on the difference, the one difference between love marriage and, arranged marriage?
Arranged marriage में क्या होता है, with the same community. तो same community का पूछ रही है, only arranged marriage का पूछ रही है?
Arranged marriage in general.
हाँ, arranged marriage in general में क्या होता है, there is a support of two families. That is very important. Love marriage में नहीं होता भी है, but ज़्यादा arranged marriage में दो family कुछ भी अगर something happens, they both are strong and they are standing. That is the main big point in arranged marriage.
Also, मैंने कहीं पे तो पढ़ा था आपके इंटरव्यू में, you had said that you had once matched people at the carousel of the Bombay airport. So can you like elongate on that, because I found that very interesting. आपने airport में कैसे match किया लोगों को?
But also Switzerland also, because my husband are very crazy for we are globetrotters. So हम लोग 12 बार तो स्विट्जरलैंड पहुंच चुके हैं अभी तक. So वहाँ आल्स में मैच किया, carousel में मैच कर लिया, ठीक है, it's all destiny thing. You saw good boy, कोई वहाँ बोल रहा था अरे कोई अच्छा रिश्ता बताओ, तो वैसे मैच कर लिया. अब कल मैं बैंगलोर गई to attend some wedding, because after the matching they said no Seema aunty, you have to come for the wedding because you have matched her. तो just मैंने वो लड़की का बायोडेटा लड़के को भेज दिया, and it's all destiny, it clicked. And after 1 year after their courtship, they got married yesterday in Bangalore. So it's that way, सब destiny है, it's nothing in man. बोलते जोड़ियां heaven से बन के आई है, and God has only sent me on the earth to match them.
You know, speaking of matching, a lot of people had a lot to say about what your definition of an ideal man and an ideal woman is. So what exactly would you say is an ideal marriage, and how should a man and a woman be defined to have a perfect marriage?
पहले जब भी you get married, we have to see the upbringing and the family values. That's very important. आप कहीं से भी कुछ कर लेते शादी, एग्जाम्पल फैमिली वैल्यूज उस फैमिली में नहीं है, अपब्रिंगिंग कैसी है लड़का और लड़की की, दैट आई गिव 100 मार्क्स फॉर दैट. If that is the thing, then the आगे the family, the relationship, everything goes smoothly because upbringing and the family values उस लड़का और लड़की में है. That's the thing. That's the point one. And the second point is कि चलो लड़का, आप बोलते हो कि चलो मैंने शादी करा दी, आगे तो it's to them to be happily married. So थोड़ा सा you are not compromising in your office. Example, you're adjusting कर रहे हो ना, कहीं कुछ काम नहीं हो, कुछ अगर adjusting ना, then why don't you do in your personal life? Little compromise and little adjustment only we are asking. And थोड़ा flexible भी होना जरूरी है. Adamant होके egoistic होके बैठ जाएंगे, तो then वो marriage में rift आएगी and the cracks will come in the marriage. And I've told marriages are breaking like biscuits, जो इतना famous हो गया, I mean, वो होना ही होना है. तो मैंने यही बोला है, थोड़ा सा compromise adjust करो, थोड़ा egoism को नीचे लाओ and be little flexible. And love and respect, that is very important. Partner को एक दूसरे को love and respect दो, so the things will go smoothly.
Would you say the compromise only from the women's side, or would you say from both sides there should be compromise?
Karishma, in Indian matchmaking, in episode 4, I have told Vyasar, Vyasar, you have to compromise and adjust. So दोनों को होता है, it doesn't go by one. ताली दोनों हाथ से बजती है, both have to compromise and adjust.
You know, as you were saying, one of your quotes, marriages are breaking like biscuits. It's become so popular. So I wanted to know, like the entire show has been unscripted, right? It's none of them is scripted.
Nothing.
Like everything is real, like as it is happening.
The way I'm talking to you, the same thing I'm talking there.
But didn't you ever feel that there should be some scripted this, or were you like, this has to be full on real? बिकॉज कहते हैं ना कि रियलिटी शोज में थोड़ा स्क्रिप्टेड तो हमेशा होता है, तो इसमें आपने कभी सोचा नहीं?
इसमें 0.0001% भी स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं.
Okay.
I am doing my job and the camera is following me. That's all. तभी तो people have loved it.
Yeah.
I tell you, thousands of people have told me कि Seema aunty, the show is not a reality show. We loved you because of your humbleness, your simplicity and honesty. We have loved the show. The way you are, you have been portrayed there the same. My Indian values are portrayed in the show, Karishma, and I'm very proud of my Indian values. कोई बोलेगा सीमा आंटी ऑर्थोडॉक्स है तो है ऑर्थोडॉक्स, बट जो इंडियन वैल्यूज इतने साल से चली आ रही है, that have told the show to the youngsters.
Do you think those, like, for many people find it orthodox family values? Do you think there will be a time when they don't exist, or do you think that will always continue in India?
These family values are coming since thousands of years. I've told nothing new.
Yeah.
I've married since 38 years. ये family values थे. Love, respect, compromise, adjustment. तभी शादियां टिकती है. Now why it's sticking? Because youngster doesn't want to follow these values.
Yeah.
So these values will be continuing in the future also. ऐसा नहीं कि having some full stop. ये चलती रहेगी जब तक दुनिया है. ये आप अपने ऑफिस में कर रहे हो कॉम्प्रोमाइज, तो घर में क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? तो ये वैल्यूज चलती रहेगी. And it is for both. ये कंफ्यूजन है बच्चों को कि आई एम टेलिंग ओनली टू अ लेडी. नो, for male and female I'm telling, for both it's the same thing. The Guru Mantra what I gave to the world is that it's for both male and female. Both.
Would you like for a season 2 to happen? Is there any news about a season 2 happening? कुछ spoilers दे सकते हैं हम लोग को?
Karishma, my association with Netflix has been very pleasant, और I'm looking forward in working with them. So देखो अभी क्या.
आपका स्माइल बता रहा है कि शायद हो सकता है.
तो पता लग जाएगा आपको.
What is the secret of your successful marriage? आपने कहा था, for decades you all have been together. तो उसका secret क्या है? Besides the whole compromise part that you've spoken about, but what else do you think is the secret of your successful marriage?
The secret is the big adjustment between me and my husband. I am east and he's west.
Okay.
आप सोचो ईस्ट वेस्ट को रहना मीन्स कितना बड़ा एडजस्टमेंट है. बट हैप्पीली वी हैव एडजस्टेड एंड वी हैव कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं बोल सकते, वी हैव एडजस्टेड.
यू हैव एडजस्टेड.
बिग मंत्र इज वी हैव एडजस्टेड. नेचुरल है ना. आप सोचो आप दो बहनें सेम हो क्या नेचर वाइज? इफ यू हैव अ सिस्टर,
या नो वे नॉट.
तो दो बच्ची फ्रॉम दो मदर के पेट से आए हुए, फ्रॉम टू मदर्स वूम, हाउ कैन दे बी सेम? दे हैव टू बी सम डिफरेंस.
Yeah.
So मेरे और मेरे हस्बैंड में ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट का फर्क है, but we have adjusted very. That is the success mantra.
Do you have a message for your fans, also your haters, about Indian matchmaking, the Emmy nomination completing 1 year, उस सब के बारे में कोई ending message आपका हो?
If they hate or love me, but I love the whole world because all are mine. तो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, मैं love करती हूँ. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा सबको they have their priority to do negative talks also, but I love the world and I'll tell this only one thing, that थोड़ा सा सीमा आंटी के थोड़े से गुरु मंत्र पे चलो तो life will be smooth. That's the message to them.
Thank you so much, Seema aunty. Best of luck for the Emmys.
Thank you.